Hello guys, this is Indian Medico, and in this video we are going to see about laparoscopic sterilization. This is a concise presentation for medical students. Laparoscopic sterilization is a permanent method of family planning. It is also known as laparoscopic tubal ligation. Now let us see about the procedure involved in laparoscopic sterilization. Informed consent should be taken from the patient. The consent should include consent for mini laparotomy also. This is because if we have some difficulty during laparoscopic sterilization, we can convert the surgery into mini laparotomy and proceed with sterilization. Laparoscopic sterilization is done as a daycare surgery. In this, a clip or ring, usually fallopian ring, is applied to the mid portion of each fallopian tube by laparoscopic methods. This prevents fertilization of oocyte by preventing contact with sperm. The woman should use another method of contraception after laparoscopic sterilization until the next period starts. This picture shows a fallopian ring in place. This picture shows laparoscopic sterilization in progress. As you can see, the tube is identified and a fallopian ring is applied and it is ligated. Now let us see about the advantages of laparoscopic sterilization. It is a permanent method of sterilization. There are no hormonal side effects and it does not interfere with sexual intercourse. Now let us see about the disadvantages of laparoscopic sterilization. It has a lifetime failure rate of 1 in 200. There are various surgical complications like infection, bleeding, and damage to bowel and bladder. It is an irreversible method. Reversal, though can be done, is often unsuccessful. Laparoscopic sterilization does not offer protection from sexually transmitted infections. There is a chance of ectopic pregnancy after laparoscopic sterilization. It is important to remember that vasectomy has fewer operative risks and a lower risk of failure when compared to laparoscopic sterilization, but vasectomy is very uncommon in India. Now let us see about the contraindications of laparoscopic sterilization. It should not be done in women with surgical risks and in women who are uncertain about their desire for future fertility. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. For more such videos, please check out my playlists. Thank you.